happy birthday sa aking pinakamala baby girl na si Margaret. Sobrang miss na kita. Sana ngayong 18th birthday mo, yung wish ko sa'yo, alam mo na yun. Nasabi ko nga, di ba? Pag makita mo yung the one na yun, nasabi ko gusto ko doktor o pangasawa mo, sana makita mo siya. At sana makamit lahat ang mga pangarap mo. Mag-ingat kayo lagi dyan ni ate mo. Mahal na mahal kita, bebe ko. Basta dito lang si mami at sila kuya mo. Ha? Okay, love you so much. Mama.
Happy 18th birthday! Hindi ko magkakaiyak. So, ayun, happy 18th birthday, Marga. Finally, you're in a legal era na. And sana more blessings to come, happiness, and sana manap mo na yung right one mo dyan. Then, mahanapin pag mahanapin dito. So, yun lang. Sana makapag-inom na rin tayo soon and enjoy your birthday party kahit wala kami dyan. And yun lang. Bye.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Marga! Miss na kita. Umuwi ka na dito. Ayan, legal age ka na, ate. Grabe. Alam mo na pag-uwi mo. Chareng! So, ayan, wishing you all the best and God bless. Mag-iingat ka lagi dyan. Saan ka na pumili ng lalaki? Kasi sabi ko sa'yo. Ayan. I love you. I miss you. Bye. Happy birthday!
Hi, Mama. Happy birthday. I just want to tell you that I love you. And it's been a year. It's been actually more than a year since you left for Spain. And I just hope that you're enjoying life there with your family, especially your ate. I just hope you take good care of each other. And you're not a minor anymore. It's the start of your adulting, I guess. And sana yung mga decision mo in life is pag-isipan mo and choose to be happy as always, choose to be kind, and choose to be hikay as always. And I just hope that you have a blast today. I couldn't ask for anything but happiness for you and for your family, for your ate as well. And I wish you nothing but the best. Pango. I love you. Ate is always here for you. I'm one chat away. Don't hesitate to message me if you need me, okay? If you need advice. I love you. See ya.
Ano na? Happy birthday, Marga. I hope you enjoy your 18th and just enjoy life, enjoy Spain, and always take care of yourself. Focus ka lang sa goal mo. I hope makaharap ka na ng work mo. Grind lang ng grind, eh. I'm always be here for you no matter what happens. Yung pagkakaibigan natin, hindi na to makawala. Kumbaga, pamatagalan na talaga to. And I hope I will be there in Spain soon and you will be here soon in New Zealand. And sana magkita na tayo. Gusto na kita uli makasama. Super bitin ng pagsasama natin nung nasa Pinas pa tayo, te. And ayun lang, ingat ka palagi. Love you always. Just open on me every day. Like, kung may problema ka, mag-open ka lang. Huwag ka mahihiyang mag-chat, mag-open ng problem mo, mag-run, anything. Just enjoy life. I hope you will be succeed and we will be succeed. Happy 18th birthday. Hindi ako papatalo. Dadagdagan ko tong video greet ko sa'yo. Bagarant na to. Uy, di ba na lang? It's been 1 year since I've known you. Super nakilala kita ng bonggang-bongga. Although kilala na kita sa Pinas. Pero ito talaga, I didn't expect that magkakaroon ako ng kaibigan na katulad mo. You have a genuine heart. You have been a good kind person to all of us. Alam ko yan lahat ng rants mo, ng problems mo. Alam ko yan lahat. Na love kita sobra. Ikaw talaga yung ganyan na ganyan ko, kumbaga. Kahit magkalayo tayo, alam ko yun. Siyempre, kumbaga, super tatag na ng pagkakaibigan natin. And laham talaga kay dati. Bye, love you.
Happy 18th birthday. Enjoy your legal age and I hope to see you soon. I'm so glad that I have a friend like you. Lahat ng mga friends ko na dito sa New Zealand is friends mo na rin and ayun, andito naman si Jody, babatiin ka niya.
Hello, happiest birthday Marga. Wishing you a good health and more birthdays to come. Hope to see you soon.
Bye. Mag-jowa ka na dyan. Love you, Tess!
Happy birthday, Marga. Wish you all the best. Happy 18, be. Happy birthday, Marga. Wish ko sa'yo, sana wag kang mag-give up sa buhay mo. Pursue your dreams and choose wisely sa mga nakikilala mo na lang. At saka, sana mamikita soon and then, basta, kung anong pangarap mo dun talaga. Umuwi ka na next year, be. Hintayin ka namin. Dito kami na maginhawa. Kahit di ko kita.
Hi, Marga. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Marga!
birthday, Margaret. Tut, 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 tut. Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo is, magjowa ka na ng Espanyol. Gusto ko lang din mag-thank you kay Sheng kasi siya yung naging way natin para maging magkaibigan tayo. And hopefully, magkita-kita tayo soon. Tatlo tayo. Sa ngayon, mag-ano ka muna dyan, grind ka muna dyan sa Spain. Tanging pera. And huwag ka na maging maaawain ka, huwag ka nang umiyak sa mga maliliit na bagay kasi sayang ang face card. Face card never decline. And sana mag-aral ka pa kasi wala lang, gusto ko lang, pala decision lang kasi nag-aaral ako ganun. Basta wish ko lang sa'yo sana maging masaya ka and ma-surprise ka ni Sheng. Diba? Bye!
Happy legal age, Marga. Ingat kayo palagi dyan.
Hi, Marga. Happy 18th birthday. Dalagang-dalaga ka na, ha. Lang sa puti mo sanay, wala ka ng sakit. Maging maayos ka palagi. Alam ko naman talaga maayos ka dahil ito pangalan sa bahay, maayos ka. Sanay, ang unang-una kong hinihinig ka lang nakakalunod sa ating Panginoon dahil i-guide ko talaga sa tamang landas. Okay, happy birthday to you and Bridget also happy birthday. I miss you so much. I love you.
Ay, Bunso. Sobrang bilis ng panahon. Parang kailan lang, karga-karga pa kita. Ngayon, dalagang-dalaga ka na. And I'm so proud of you, Nak. This is the second birthday that you celebrating without me. Pwede nga lang mag-teleport para makasama kita on your special day. Alam mo, Nak, marami ka pang ngayong dalaga ka na, marami ka pang kakaharapin challenges and trials sa buhay. Pero ang wish ko sana is huwag ka makakalimot sa ating Panginoon para magabayan ka niya. May God give you wisdom in every decisions that you make. And I hope your special day will filled with joy and happiness and all your dreams and wishes come true. I love you so much, Nak. Sobrang miss ko na kayo ni Ate. And Ate Bridget, belated happy birthday din. Sana wag na kayong lagi mong gagabayan yung kapatid mo, wag kayong mag-aaway, and good health to both of you. And Ate Bridget, sana kung galing kang trabaho, sana mas piliin mong magpahinga kaysa sa uminom. Buwas-buwasan mo na yung pag-inom ng alak. Yun lang, and sobrang miss ko na kayong dalawa. Marga, lagi mong tatandaan, huwag makakalimot sa Panginoon, okay? At kaya ako nakasalamin kasi ayokong umiyak, ayokong makita mong umiiyak ako. So, medyo teary-eyed na ako kasi ayokong umiyak at gusto kong maging happy ka on your special day. Again, Feliz 18 cumpleaños, Marga. I love you so much. Love you.
Happy birthday, Marga.
Happy birthday, Marga.
Happy birthday, Marga. Mag-ingat ka lagi dyan sa, sa Spain.
Birthday, Marga. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Love you.
Love you, Marga.
Happy birthday, Ben! Love you! Happy 18th birthday! Ingat kayo dyan palagi!
Happy birthday, Ate Marga. Happy 18th birthday. Sana wag papayat ka na. Wag ka muna magpa-boyfriend. Ayun lang. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ate Margaret! Hindi ako makakapunta dyan kasi nasa Spain ka na. Happy 18th birthday, te. Gurang ka na, matanda ka na. Ngayon, wish ko lang sa'yo is, sana yung mga gusto mo sa buhay makamit mo, and I wish you the best. Maging masaya ka sa araw mo ngayon, and happy 18th. Shabaw. Stay young, beautiful, and unique. Love you!
Hello Margaret, happy birthday, happy 18th birthday sa'yo. We wish na maging successful ka dyan sa Spain. Kayong dalawa ni Bridget, and we wish you happy birthday and good luck sa journey mo dyan sa Spain.
Happy birthday, Marga! Dalaga ka na. Wish ko naman sa'yo is maging wiser ka sa mga magiging desisyon mo sa buhay. Gawin mo yung mga bagay na magpapaligaya sa'yo as long as wala kang katatapakan na tao. Okay? Pagbutihin mo yung pagtatrabaho mo dyan, at at the same time, i-reach mo pa rin yung pangarap. Okay?
Love you, Margaret. Happy birthday!
Love you!
Happy birthday, Ate Marga! God bless you! Enjoy your day! I love you!
Say happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
Tita
Tita,
Marga
Tata,
Pango.
Hello.
Oh, twerk. Twerk, 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 twerk. Twerk, 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 twerk.
Happy birthday, Ate Margaret!
We love you.
And enjoy your birthday, ha? I love you too.
Thank ako handa. Thank you.
Happy 18th birthday, Marga! Enjoy your day!